Lavanya from Lexus & Company working as an intern. Today I'll be talking about written statement. Now what is a written statement? A written statement is a statement of the defendant in his defense in which he either admits the claim or denies the facts alleged by the plaintiff in his plea. The defendant can state new facts of the case and legal obligations against the claim asked by the plaintiff. It is granted under Order 8 Rule 1 of CPC within 30 days. Characteristics of written statement. The defendant has to appear in the court on the date mentioned in the summons. Before the date of appearing in the court, the defendant needs to file a written statement in the court. The statement should deny or accept the allegations imposed on him. The statement must contain the verification of the defendant by stating that the content written in the statement is true and he has knowledge of it. If the defendant fails to submit the written statement before 30 days, he can seek the court to extend the time. In that case, the court may extend the time up to 90 days. Now, certain rules related to written statement. All the rules related to written statement are granted under Order 8 of the CPC. Order 8 Rule 1 provides that the defendant has to file the written statement within 30 days. The judge can charge some cost if the defendant fails to file the statement within the time period of 30 days. Then the time period is extended if not filled to 90 days. After the expiry of total 120 days, the court shall pronounce the judgment. Now, what is Order 8 Rule 1A? This rule talks about the protection and production of the document that the defendant relies upon. Now, Order 8 Rule 2, which is related to the new facts that should be pleaded before the Honorable Court. Order 8 Rule 3 says that the denial made by defendant in a written statement must be specific, not general in the case of damages. Order 8 Rule 3A. If the defendant is accepting any fact, he can provide the general answer, but if he is denying the fact, then he must give a valid reason. Now, what is Order 8 Rule 4, which is evasive denial? When the defendant is making a denial of any fact, the defendant must be clear and easy to understand. Order 8 Rule 5 is specific denial, which is the admitting or the denial of any other statement.